There is a massive construction going on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway on the Ogombo axis of this road. And as you can see, this road construction is actually taking shape in better ways because every angle, every street has a connection, and also there are many exits on the road and many entrances to the road. This is to give people more easier access and more leverage on this road. Yeah, most of us don't actually know that the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road has gone past over 200 kilometers. Yes, because this road is not just being built only in Lagos. Other states like Ogun State, Osun State, the construction has also kicked off around those premises, those vicinity. And in Lagos alone, this construction has gone past 100 kilometers. That is just for Lagos alone. And kilometer 100, I'll be showing you more of that on this video too, so you can see. But the Ogombo axis, Jakonde axis, Aja axis, and also the new overhead bridge that has been constructed has also gone through a very, very massive transformative phase whereby the bridge now can be used. It is solid enough to be used by vehicles, trailers, Okada. Mostly now, this road is being enjoyed by Okada riders compared to vehicle owners, because most of the places where the road was blocked, you just have to do one or two settlements before you gain access. But aside that, Okada riders can gain access through anywhere, even the side where the road is blocked. They tend to squeeze themselves through, and that is something they just benefit from that normal vehicles don't. And now, why am I making this video? Because this part of the construction side has not really been shown to the public, and basically no one knows about this part very much like that. And if you notice, the concrete reinforcement on this side was done differently. I noticed the iron were heavier and also thicker in size compared to those ones that were done around Victoria Island. But what I noticed is that this part of the road was made that way because it was connecting to the bridge, and these irons were also used in linking the top of the bridge where a concrete reinforcement will be done. But if you stick to the end of the video, I would love to show you that part. And as you can see, this is how thick and fat. If you noticed, we haven't seen anything as fat as this, or rather as thick as this on this road. And this is how the construction is going right now at the moment.
If you notice, you see that the road is partially open. Some places are open, some places are closed. But whichever way, people are still gaining access to the road. Even the places where construction are heavily going on, people still have access to cross. And the last part where it is closed and you can't get access through is Ogombo. So if you are coming from Victoria Island, don't worry, you get access. Just have some little change, like 200, 500, to give to those guys at the gate. There's this little place that they close, so you just have to show them love and they let you pass. It's normal, it's not normal, but it's just what it is. So that's it, but don't worry, you get access all the way to Ogombo. So it's about 10 to 15 minute drive instead of taking the Lekki-Eto Expressway, which is around 45 minutes or 15 minutes and above. So but that's it though. This is how it looks, and as you can see, Loma are here picking dirt. There are a lot of dirt on the floor. So Loma are here packing the dirt and also making sure this premises is clean as the construction is going on.